Should I shut this off?
I'm sorry.
Should I shut
Yeah.
I want to see you in your uniform. I'm coming to the light strip. The Loch Ness Monster, the Big Bad Wolf, Alpengeist. These are the attractions one usually thinks of when they hear the name Busch Gardens. Surprisingly, the rides at Busch Gardens aren't the only attractions that draw thousands of visitors to the theme park each year. Oftentimes, when evaluating the success of a business or establishment, landscaping and beautification projects are usually overlooked as contributors. However, the importance of landscaping in boosting the business of an establishment is evidenced at Busch Gardens theme park here in our very own state. According to the National Amusement Park Historical Association, Busch Gardens was voted the most beautiful theme park for 9 consecutive years. This high level of landscaping excellence also helped Busch Gardens earn the honor of being voted one of the world's favorite theme parks. In order to better fulfill the Chamber's mission statement to promote a thriving community for business through leadership and advocacy, as well as to achieve the Chamber's goal of promoting the Harrisonburg-Rockingham community and thereby fostering economic strength, it is wise to look to the example that Busch Gardens has set in using a world-class landscaping program to promote business and the overall success and enjoyment of the park. Natural landscaping benefits the community by implementing economy-enhancing and energy-saving techniques and preserving the environment, which in turn would promote the success of small businesses and the city as a whole. We are lucky to be living in such a naturally beautiful area, but consider for a moment how much the city of Harrisonburg could benefit from improvement in city landscaping. Beautiful gardens and attractive foliage are creative and simple ways of attracting tourists. Many of the tourists who do visit the Harrisonburg area are already drawn by the beautiful mountainous scenery all around, and enhancing this natural beauty with a landscaping program would make the city itself much more appealing to those passing through to go camping or see the sights. The first step to improving the landscaping of our city would be to create a committee whose members are committed to enhancing Harrisonburg's natural appeal. To achieve maximum effectiveness, the committee should include members of the community and the chamber, as well as professional gardeners and landscapers. Of course, a cost is involved, as is true in any endeavor. However, I feel, and I'm sure you will agree, that in the long run, improving the landscaping of Harrisonburg would not only increase pride amongst its citizens, but also increase tourism and thus boost business around the city. Of course, cost is a major factor in any project, and while it is inevitable that money will be spent on such an endeavor, it is important to note the many money-saving benefits of a landscaping project. It's true that landscaping can incur high prices. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, cost data show that conventional installation of sodded grasses may exceed $12,000 per acre, and planting turf grass seeds may cost in the range of $4,000 to $8,000 per acre. However, by implementing a new type of landscaping known as natural landscaping, we would be able to save a significant amount of money. Natural landscaping refers to landscaping using native plants with the goal of retaining the natural beauty of the landscape. By using native plants, installation costs can be reduced to $2,000 to $4,000 per acre. Additional costs can also be reduced by researching the possibility of receiving government funding. The biggest advantage of using natural landscaping is that not only would it preserve the naturally beautiful landscaping, but it also has other benefits, both economical and environmental. Obviously, the effect a landscaping program would have on our city is an important factor. We all want to save money, and natural landscaping would do just this. The Environmental Protection Agency reports that natural landscaping reduces the cost of installation and maintenance because native perennial plants are well adapted to the local soils and to environmental conditions. Also, typical original maintenance requirements of natural landscaping are quite simple and are reduced to annual mowing and burning. In addition, natural landscaping can accommodate storm and flood water, thereby reducing the need for expensive, highly technical facilities. The U.S. Department of Energy also explains that carefully positioned trees can save up to 25% of the consumption of energy for heating and cooling. They also report that on average, a well-designed landscaping program can return the initial investment within 8 years. Finally, natural landscaping can contribute to the creation of a distinctive community image that strengthens real estate markets. Real estate within a distinctive landscaping setting, if done well, can possess a marketing edge and positively affect property values. The July-August 2002 edition of the Journal of Property Management by James T. Berger reports that evidence suggests The landscaping adds value to the commercial property. Richard Grinninger, managing director of Car America Realty Corporation, said the plants are particularly effective for enhancing the value of property. A community that appears to care for a high-quality environment establishes a marketing niche that traditional developments cannot offer. Obviously, natural landscaping would save and create us a considerable amount of money, but the benefits don't end there. Landscaping also has several environmental benefits. In many ways, natural landscaping reduces the stress that the weed-free lawn places on clean air and water. By using natural landscaping, air and water quality can be improved. A government article entitled Green Landscaping explains that locally, smog and air toxins can be drastically reduced by the virtual elimination of the need for lawn maintenance equipment. An additional benefit of natural landscaping is its ability to thrive without fertilizers or use of heavy pesticides and herbicides, which would prevent runoff in our water. It is clear from the points I have mentioned that adopting a natural landscaping program would benefit our city by enhancing its aesthetic appeal and thus promoting tourism, which would benefit our city by improving the economy, strengthening real estate markets and reducing energy costs, and improving the overall air and water quality of our city. The simple fact is that people enjoy things of a high aesthetic quality, a fact displayed by Busch Gardens' numerous landscaping awards and high ratings. By improving the landscaping of our city, it will make Harrisonburg a more pleasing place for not only tourists, but also for the residents, and as a result, help the Chamber achieve its goal of promoting small businesses and a thriving community.